Hello guys, welcome back to Fisheries All in One. Today let's get into highlights of World Fisheries Day 2020. Every year we are celebrating the World Fisheries Day on November 21st. This year too we celebrated on yesterday, which is November 21, and a belated World Fisheries Day. The theme of this year is being Social Responsibility in the Fisheries Value Chain. And why we are celebrating World Fisheries Day? Do you know the reason? Here is the reason. We are celebrating it to commemorate the establishment of World Fisheries Forum, which is abbreviated as WFF. And how does it formed? It began from the unifying fishermen and women who all gathered in New Delhi for World Forum of Fish Harvesters and Fish Hawkers on November 21st, 1997. On this day, they arranged for a meeting and paved way for the WFF. And what is the purpose of being celebrating it? It is to demonstrate solidarity with all fisherfolk communities, fish farmers and concerned stakeholders throughout the world, and also for the development of fisheries sector. In India, it is celebrated under the heading of the Department of Fisheries in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. These three are the important personalities in these departments and ministry, in which Shri Giriraj Singh is the Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, and these two other personalities are assisting him as the Minister for the state, who are Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi and Shri Sanjeev Kumar Balyan. This year, it has been celebrated at National Agricultural Science Complex, Puza, New Delhi, and the chief guest of this occasion is being the Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, who was Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi. And some of the stats to you is India is being second major fish producer of fish through aquaculture in the world, and it provides direct employment to 28 million fishers and fish farmers. It contributes about 7.7% to global fish production, and also it occupies 4th place in global exports of fish products. And in the first time in the history of World Fisheries Day, the awards have been announced by the central government for the best performing states in India in fisheries sector during the year, particularly 2019 to 2020. And let's see about the awards. The award for Best Marine State have been given to Odisha, and the Best Inland State is Uttar Pradesh, and Best Hilly and Northeastern State is Assam. And regarding the Best Marine, Inland, Hilly and Northeastern government or organization is being for Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Assam respectively. And the Best Marine, Inland and Hilly and Northeastern district have been chosen from the states of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Assam. The best fisheries enterprises are from Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. The fisheries cooperatives from these three states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and again Kerala, have been selected as the best cooperative societies. Apart from Best Fisheries Enterprises, Best Individual Entrepreneurs have been selected from Delhi and Chhattisgarh. Best Fish Farmers for Marine, Inland and Hilly States have been from Tamil Nadu, Haryana and Amal Medi from Assam. Sri Chinnasamy of Tamil Nadu is from Dindigul district and Sri Surendra from Bedu district of Haryana. in the hatchery purpose, the best finfish and shrimp from Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. This shrimp hatchery was established in 2006 and it is the first company to officially launch SPF Lithopenes vanami seed in the country. And the best deep sea development state have been awarded to Tamil Nadu. And in this World Fisheries Day of India, the government has declared 3 steps to improve the fishery sector, and those 3 are Blue Revolution, PMMSY and FIDF. And what is Blue Revolution? It is a centrally sponsored scheme which have been launched in December 2015. And next, PMMSY, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, and it was launched by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for the period of 2021 to 2025, which was 5 years, and it is for the crores 20,050 crores. And Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund is allotted for about 7,522 crores in the year 2018 to 19. These 3 valuable steps have been declared to followed by India regularly for the best upliftment of the fishery sector. And besides from this, KCC, Kisan Credit Scheme, and also Kisan Credit Card for especially the fishermen have been decided and declared. Stay tuned for the quiz on these highlights. And finally, thank you.